Okay, so this is how you do some of the problems about the marbles. So if a marble is chosen at random from the bag, is it more likely to be blue or red? So what you need to do is look at the red column and the blue column. And you see you have 8 total red, 4 total blue out of 12. Well, that means that you have an 8 out of 12 chance for red, a 4 out of 12 chance for blue. So 8 out of 12 is a bigger chance, right? That's like a 2/3 chance, 67%. 4 out of 12 is 1/3 chance. The next one is it more likely to be small or large? So when you're thinking about if it's small or large, you're looking now at the row totals. So there's 4 total smalls, there's 8 total large. Well, 4 out of 12 is smaller than 8 out of 12, so it's more likely to be large. So that's not too tricksy. These are a little bit cooler. So looking at these games, so pick a small marble, you win if it's red, versus pick a large marble, you win if it's blue. So how are we supposed to look at this? Well, game one, pick a small marble. That means I only want to look at this small row. I don't even care about the rest. So what are my chances of red? Well, my chances of red is 3 out of 4, right? So 3 out of 4 versus 1 out of 4. So for that game, for game one, then it's a good game, right? I got a 3/4 chance of winning. Game two is pick large and you win if it's blue. So again, for game two, you're going to just look at the large row and compare about these 8 marbles in here. So there's 5 out of 8 large marbles. There's 3 out of 8 small marbles, right? And I mean blue marbles. 5 out of 8 reds, 3 out of 8 blues. My bad. Okay. So for this game, you have a 3 out of 8 chance of winning. So what do we want to compare the games? So we want to compare is small red, that would be 3/4 chance. Is that a better chance than a 3/8 chance? Well, if you don't know fractions very well, go ahead and do 3 divided by 4 and 3 divided by 8 and compare them. You're going to see 3/4 is bigger than 3/8 because that's going to be 0.75 versus 37.5. So which game are you more likely to win? Game one is what you're more likely to win. Okay. So then let's take a look at this other game. Game one, pick a red marble. You win if it's large. So for game one, we're picking red. So that means we're just looking at this column, the red column. That's game one. And as you can see, large is 5/8, right? 5 out of 8. Okay. Look at game two. Pick a small. So if you're picking small, that means you're looking at small row first for game two. So we're comparing a column and a row on these games. Pick small, you win if it's red. Well, red is 3/4. So we're comparing 3/4 and 5/8. Okay, and to compare those, you can just find them in decimal form. You're going to have 0.75 and 5/8, I think, is 0.583. So 3/4 is bigger, meaning game two is better. And that's how you use these little two-way frequency tables.